Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Harshshikha and this is my first video of voiceover, so I hope you guys like it. So here I'm gonna show you how to make these cute doodles which pretty much anybody can draw. Maybe if you don't have an iPad, you can just go ahead and take your notebook and a pen or a pencil, or you can just grab your mobile phone, any Android phone, and you can download some apps. I'll list it down and you can make these. So here I'll be selecting a dry ink brush. This is kind of a sketchy brush which I really like. You can see the texture here, so I really like this brush. So the first doodle that I'm going to show you is a simple banner. So these are the banners which is best suitable for the headings. So this is just a cute simple banner. First of all, I'll be sketching all the doodles and then I'll be showing you how I personally color them. So the second banner that I'm going to show you is quite simple, but this is my favorite. So yeah, this is just, and these doodles are simple and so cute that anybody can just take a pen and a paper and scribble it and you'll be good to go. The third banner is going to be a vertical banner. So these are the three banners doodles. Now I'm going to show you some leaf doodles which are related to nature, and I love drawing these, and I'm sure everybody loves plants. So as you can see, these are so simple to draw. And you can also use these doodles on your intro videos for your YouTube. So the fifth doodle is just a small leaf. Actually it's a big leaf, but it's kind of a sapling. It's the small ground. Okay, so then there is one more banner logo. I hope you guys find it very easy like I do. You can just see the steps are so pretty simple. Now let's just go ahead and color them. So the color I like to use is just highlighting them a bit, so the aesthetic is remain very cute. You can just go ahead and color the whole thing, but this is just how I like to do it. I'm sorry for the noise. Let's choose a blue for this. I'm keeping the color palette pastel because I am into pastel these days, like a lot. For the leaves, obviously we're gonna use green color. And actually it is very satisfying to color the doodles, guys. It's like a relaxing time. And yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and just if you want, you can subscribe to my channel. It is really encouraging for me to keep posting more videos. And a bit brown for the ground. So yeah, it's pretty much done. Okay, one doodle is left. Oops. Let's give it an orange color. And that's done. That's it. It's so easy, isn't it? And here you're getting the doodles very quickly made. So just go ahead and try these doodles out. Let me know in the comments how you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video soon.